get into this really simple cut crease, sexy, sultry, smoky eye today. I wanted to keep it really simple, really cute, nothing too much. You know, I done got these press-ons and I'm just like, hey. Anyway, we're gonna get into this tutorial. If you want to see how I got this look, you know what to do, queens. Sit back, relax, and stay tuned. I've already done my brows off camera. I'm going to take the Fantasia Beverly Hills times Norvina palette. This is the volume 3 palette. I'm going to take this to start out with, and then I'm going to switch to another palette. The first shade I'm going to take is C3 right here. I'm going to pop it into my crease. I like to use warm colors to transition with, just to warm the eye a little bit. Now I'm going to take my Fantasia Beverly Hills times Amrezy palette to finish off this eyeshadow look with. I'm going to take 1988 and I'll pop it underneath that first shade. I'm going to deepen up the outer corner just a little bit more. I'm going to take Yugo at the bottom and I'm going to deepen up just the outer corners. Now I'm going to take my Fantasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer and I'm going to cut out my crease with it. Now I'm going to apply Wasted at the top to my lid. Now I'm going to apply my Bella lashes. This is in the style Boss. Let's see what these bad boys look like. Okay, now I'm going to apply my Tinted moisturizer by ColourPop. I really love this Tinted moisturizer because it acts to me as a foundation more so than a tinted moisturizer does. Now I'm going to apply my ColourPop concealer. To warm my face up, I'm going to take the foundation stick by Black Radiance to contour with. Now I'm going to set my face with some pressed powder. It's by MAC. It's the Mineralized Skin Finish Powder. And I'm going to set my entire face with this powder. Now I'm gonna bake just a little bit with my loose powder. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm just gonna set my face where I concealed. Now I'm gonna set my contour with my Black Radiance contour palette. Now I'm gonna apply my Burnt Pepper blush. Now I'm going to dust away the powder from my face. For lips, I'm gonna apply my BFF3 Liner by ColourPop. I'm gonna apply my liquid lipstick Sand by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And now I'm gonna apply my Fantasia lip gloss by ColourPop. Now I'm gonna spray myself with some Maybelline setting spray. For highlight, I'm gonna take my Amrezy highlighter times Anastasia Beverly Hills to highlight my skin. And that pretty much wraps up this tutorial. I hope you queens enjoyed it, and I hope that it was easy. I also hope that you guys are enjoying your quarantine time. I know I am trying to. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see down in the comment box below, and I will get that out to you. And I will see you queens on the next one. Bye.